Sarah, where's the stapler at?
I don't have your
Don't play
stapler.
stupid. I didn't say you had it. I said, where's it at?
I don't know. I don't think I was
You
the
know
one
where
that.
it is. That's a
I
lie.
know that I didn't do it.
I didn't say you did do it. Where's it at?
I don't know. Why
Tell
don't
me
you
where
ask?
it is.
Why don't you ask Joel?
Because Joe don't know. Joe didn't do that. Al did it. Didn't he? Man, y'all better stop fucking with me, man.
Man, y'all better stop fucking with me, man.
Put your ass here. What are you
She
doing?
told me to ask you.
Well, I don't have. I was with you the whole damn time, Matt.
Maybe
What are you doing?
Maybe you did it before I left.
Look, now that's just
Your
stupid.
stapler was out
Now that's stupid though to do this. Because you're not gonna pick it up.
No, I ain't picking it up.
Well, you're gonna, when you find out who took your shit, you better say
I
sorry,
get Sarah's dust too.
chump.
Y'all know where my stapler
Y'all
is.
don't know shit. I was with you the whole damn time. What you mean, y'all? Coming
my
in
stapler?
using all my damn
I
staples.
don't have your stapler.
But where is it?
I don't know. Why don't you ask somebody else? I don't know.
Why y'all trying to fuck with
See,
me?
here you go with y'all shit again.
Sarah, where's the stapler at? I mean, it's not funny, seriously. I don't give a fuck about Al's jokes. Where's my stapler?
I don't know where it is.
Jesus Christ. Motherfuckers want to be like goddamn kids.
I think you should go look for it.
I'm not, I don't got time to look for it. I don't feel like looking for it. That's why I lock my office. Obviously, I need to hide the hide key outside.
Why don't you look in Joel's office?
Where's it at? In Joel's office? Go get it for me.
I don't know. I don't know. It's just a guess.